Already dirty.
Oh. What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video here today. Bit of a different video, shot on my phone, because this is a bit impromptu. So essentially, I was driving into work today, and my car made a bit of a scraping noise. I thought it was the front tires rubbing on the guard since we've lowered the suspension. Turns out it wasn't. So we're back here at Shannon's now, actually, going to work on my car. And what the actual issue, I'll show you. See, basically, this thing here, it's meant to be connected to this thing here, over here, and not over there. Yeah, so that's actually what that part there is, a sway bar link. Essentially, that sway bar link is meant to be connected and not turned right the way around. So it's actually proper munted. So we need to fix that tonight. And then if it's done to my rim, which these aren't that great rims anyway, but if you see that nice little ring around there, that whole ring around, yeah, that's all scraped up, and that's from that sway bar link coming apart. And there's also, I don't know exactly where it is because I can't see it at the moment in the light. There it is. There's actually a crack right there in the rim. So right there's a crack. So it's honestly not looking great. It shouldn't be too hard of a fix. The sway bar links don't really cost that much, and we bought them today even whilst I was at work. So now we've got to work tonight and try and fix the car. More importantly, Shannon's going to be doing a lot of the work.
Shannon's got to work again tonight.
Yeah, Shannon's got to work tonight while I just film him basically working and me doing nothing because I'm in my work clothes still.
Already dirty.
Oh. So yeah, so we're going to hopefully fix that tonight, and fingers crossed there's no more issues, but there's a slight chance that it may have done something to my suspension. So.
Nah, should be fine.
Should be fine? Okay, Shannon says it's fine.
Quick tighten up.
We'll be good.
Bar links. We'll be good. Back on the road in about an hour.
About an hour. Shouldn't be too bad. On a Friday night, though.
Yeah.
Not
missing
how we...
football and beers. Thanks,
yeah.
Pop Dynamite.
Yeah. Thank my car. I mean, it's not my fault. My car did it. I didn't do anything wrong. It's not like I drive fast or corner hard. Never. I'm a safe driver. So, yeah, we're going to hopefully try and get this fixed, and we'll see how we go.
A few moments later.
So after I've done some painful and tireless work on this car. Yeah, I'm kidding.
He means now that Shannon has done some painful and tiring work on this car.
Yeah, I've basically done nothing. But what Shannon has essentially discovered is things went wrong. So by the looks of it, from what we can tell, it started with the suspension. So the coilover suspension that we had in the front here, it's become loose. Now that it's become loose, it essentially, it basically dropped. So the suspension came undone, and it, what's the word? It extended essentially?
Unwound itself.
Yeah, it unwound itself. So that's essentially caused the sway bar strut to not meet level, and it's met like that. So it's on a bit of a downwards angle, and then through some cornering and things like that, it's put way too much load on the car, and it's just gone, and it's basically shorn in half, and that's it, gone. And then when I went to reverse park into work, that is what's caught. So it caught on my rim, and that's what's caused that whole scraping effect, essentially. Is when I tried to reverse in my car park today at work. And that is what's actually properly munted my wheel, first of all, but done the most damage. Yeah. So hopefully it's not too bad of a fix. We got the sway bar struts, so we picked up some sway bar struts for both sides because we're going to replace both more than likely just to keep things safe, and, you know, might as well. Better safe, yes, better safe. So we're going to get that all done, and hopefully there's no more issues, but we're going to have to keep doing a little bit more searching just in case to see if there's anything else going wrong, like a possibly bent sway bar. Which, fingers crossed it's not.
Should be fine.
Should be fine. German engine.
Positive thinking here at Shannon's Cars and Wheels.
Definitely. Oh, 110%.
Because, you know the motto.
Shannon's Cars and Wheels, we don't fuck shit up. We just get shit done.
What's the motto?
You know, we don't fuck shit up, we fix shit. Yeah, that was what Shannon said last time. But no, we believe in our German engineering. Hence, Shannon literally has one BMW there, one BMW there, one there, one... Oh, that thing right there.
You always show it when it's dirty.
I don't care. It still looks sexy as fuck. Look at that thing. Oh my god. You need to finish that car, man.
Oh, I know.
You need to finish that car.
I know.
Well, we need to get that done. And then he's also got his cool little S13 over there, the 180SX.
Drift Pig.
The Drift Pig. We should get into license plates and call it and name it the Drift Pig.
I got that book actually a couple of months back.
Oh, seriously? Dude, that would have been mint. Oh my god. But yeah.
DFTPIG.
Dude, as if you didn't.
I know. I'm spewing on you. I should have done it, but I didn't.
What a rookie error.
Yeah, I know.
But yeah, so we back the German engineering, so fingers crossed we should be good, hopefully. Easy fix. Fingers crossed. So, I'm in the midst of editing this video, and I suddenly realized that I actually haven't done a conclusion to the video. Since we finished pretty late on that Friday night, and I just kind of wanted to get home, and Shannon wanted to just sit down and relax after a long day at work, I forgot to record an end to the video. So, here we are. What happened with the car, and did anything else go wrong? Short answer, no, the car is running amazingly, and we fixed it actually really quickly. So, in the end, essentially, we popped on the new sway bar links. I keep calling them sway bar struts for some reason in the video, and it, don't know why, mind blank. But yeah, we essentially replaced the sway bar links, and when I say we, I mean Shannon did, and I held the light every now and again. We replaced those, we retightened the suspension on the car to make sure everything was tight and good, and that was essentially it. There was no damage to the actual sway bar itself, it wasn't bent or anything like that, and I've been driving it now for almost a week, and there is no issues at all with the car. It's running perfectly fine. However, we were a little bit worried at the fact that the actual suspension managed to loosen itself and basically come undone. We're still not sure how that happened. We're chalking it up to we didn't tighten it properly, but we're not sure. So, hence why, hopefully, probably next week, since I've given it a bit of a drive around and things like that and just daily driving, we're going to probably rip off the fronts and see how the suspension is doing, see if there's anything happening, seeing if it's coming undone, seeing if there's any other issues. So far, it seems to be perfectly fine, and I've got no issues at all, but we're going to look into it anyway, and I'll take you guys along for the ride when we do that as well. We'll probably adjust the ride height again as well, because my car is too low for my driveway at the moment, and every time I drive, it's like, and it ain't great. I don't like the sound, and it's not the greatest for the car, to be honest, so yeah. But otherwise, car's fine, absolutely awesome, cheap and easy fix, and obviously, thanks so much to Shannon, because without him, it'd probably still be in my garage at the moment, me going like, how do I fix it? Or something like that. So, big shout out to Shannon and at Shannon's Cars on Wheels. So, if you want to go look at any of his stuff, the links are going to be down below to his Instagram. And when he finally puts a video up on his YouTube channel, there'll be a link to that as well. Otherwise, guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video, this impromptu video that was recorded on my phone and looked way worse than I thought it would. Sad life. God, I love this camera so much. But yeah, if you want to get subscribed, be sure to hit subscribe. We soared over the 400 subscriber mark in the recent week. We're sitting at almost 430, I think, at the moment at the time of recording this video. So we're doing awesome. We're on our way to 500 subscribers, and we're going to hit that hopefully this month. If we keep going at this rate, it'll happen this month in August. So fingers crossed we get there. But otherwise, guys, hit like on the video if you liked it. Let me know in the comments if you have, I don't know, any suggestions about the video or what you'd like to see me do next or see happen to my car maybe. Suggest some mods because we've got some ideas, but hey, if you've got a better idea, I'm happy to listen to it and read it. So, yeah, let us know in the comments below. Otherwise, get subscribed, hit like. We'll see you in the next video. Bye now.